Hey guys, in the window 11 you can often see the error message like the requested resources in used. You get this error during your copy file and folder from your another device like a smartphone or camera to your window 11 PC. And well, now this video let me share you have to how to fix this problem. I will share you on two method. This any one of the method surely work to you from, but the first thing of the make sure the connected device is actually properly connected. Again, try connecting your device and make sure the cable is actually properly connected, and if the cable is having any damage or not, so check this out. And the still if you facing issue, mean now in the file explorer you have to just one time close all the file explorer and again open it. And also you can just restart and the window explorer for the single time, so by the just right clicking on the taskbar. Now here click on the task manager. How here you can see window explorer, just a right click and click on the restart, so the window explorer again the restarted. So once again the restarted, again try to copy the file, and if the time also if you are facing the same error, copying file and request resources in the newsmin. And the final most important step is the that your file manager, if you are the using the preview window option, mean the just disable that. So here is that the particular option preview. So currently I am the enable the preview option. So again after the clicking again to the disable, so if you are enable mean you can see option like this selected your file and the preview, which will mean preview panel actually enable you have to disable this. So again the click the option the device are the connected is the properly connected, mean shortly again shortly after disabling that the preview panel it actually working out. So now I am going to again copy and paste, then the same file just copy here, and now I am trying to paste it is. So you have seen here now actually copying. So now the main thing is the you need to disable to preview window in your window 11 file explorer. After done this, the surely this issue will be fixed out, and also make sure your device is connected properly. When that's it about this video guys. Hopefully if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe in your channel, and thank you for watching and video guys. Thank you.